my slimness. Now, see, I don't tell you, I don't warn you. I go enjoy you, I go scatter you here.
Who you want?
Zeto, come on, calm me down.
Carry me down. Who will carry you down?
Hey!
You want me to
This out of England. What do people think you're doing here? What do you think you're doing?
Oga Jonah, now him first abuse me.
Okay, now lie, when I first find my trouble when I don't hear to chop my food. You know, since I don't kill him almost. Now I make I decide make you come for help.
Two of you shut up. Do you think I came here to train? Get away from me, I break your head. Did they tell you I came here to train madmen?
Okay, don't come.
Sorry.
This boy.
You rub on your pit.
Can I? Now your speech they take do iodine. Don't mind him. They like spanner.
No be spanner MB. Wait be before.
Wait, what do I send you? Go meet Sito. Make una fix am. Quick. So Oga come carry a car go. Spanner.
Sir?
You have some money on you.
Yes.
Okay.
The money change.
So, go to the filling station. Just down the road there. Get 5 liters so that we can, when you come back, let me show it to you people practically.
Okay. Okay. 5 liters.
5 liters. Okay.
But Oga, what with the quantity of the dirty? What are they inside of this one?
Oga Jonas. I said make I agree too. I also will say make I thank you for your support for this election. I really appreciate. The only thing I'm promising is that this change, I will make sure that I fulfill it. Especially in the area of this security and police.
Lucky, shut up your mouth.
What's that? Oh?
Wait till you know. You just they talk because you just don't win. If not be because of Jonas will support you, you can't win. Wait till you know. See as you they talk, you go do this, you go do that. Meanwhile, I don't stay here 2 years, do plenty work. Everybody knows I did there. Now you just they make mouths like say you do anything.
Thank God, sir, I don't win. Not my fault.
Say you don't win.
I don't win.
Okay, now you win. What do you want to do?
You go see him.
You don't get experience. You don't know anything.
Mr. Experience.
Wait, make me. Oga Lucky, Chief Obara, you know you were there for 2 years.
I know.
We gave you all the support.
Oh.
Now, as God want am, Oga Lucky don't enter. I'm suggesting, make we give him support when we think.
We can give him.
Before
Lucky, you don't win.
Yes, I don't
no
win.
Problem. We
win.
go give you support for these 2 years. Make we see what you go fit do.
You better say give me the support too. Because when I support you, I don't win.
I don't get
I don't win.
I don't give am support.
Better for you.
These 2 years, make we see what you get.
Yeah, give me the support. Better for you.
Support you.
Okay. I don't come out the big part which is not for that money. See if I want to place.
Okay. When you go, make sure you tight it very well.
Engineer Jonah, the Jonas. The magic hand that arranges vehicles.
Agro International.
My big friend.
And, where are you coming from under this hot sun?
My brother, I go see my brother where they work for NMPC.
It's a lie. Your brother there in NMPC, now we there here they suffer.
My brother, you know one problem with all these big men waiting say they get money without just not to see them. Now because of my younger brother, because of saying don't get money, don't they do anyhow.
Hey. That means say you don't see him as you go now.
See who? Then they see spirit. I reach now he can't give me another day, say make I come. Say no, they take today see visitors. Me, visitors. Me, I go visitors. I don't suffer.
Can I suffer? I go tell you. All this qualification where you get, what do you take on it? I mean, only draft to take on it.
My friend Jonas, you see, let us not go back to history. You know, I've worked in various companies, various organizations. In fact, where I never work.
The one that you know about is when you were working in Nine Post.
Yes. That one at the last place where I work. At the last place where I work. After all and done, that day I work last. But that is not the issue. What about this election that you people did here? How does it go?
We went to Elsha. Yeah. We have a new chairman now.
Wow! Who can be that person?
Mr. Lucky.
Chai!
But why are they telling yourself if you haven't?
Why they talk like this now? By every day, all this one, why they come here every day, they stay with you. That one don't qualify me, say. If say I put interest, I for win. You don't know. But make I ask you, self, why be say you know one follow do that thing? And you know one lead these people? You know say you get respect for this place and everybody here know you.
Me?
Now, once you put like this, bam, you don't win. And I go support you. If next one, I go do the campaign.
I never want that.
Who is killing you?
Ask me again.
Okay, Jonas. Who is killing you now?
Ask me again.
Come, remember one thing. Draft. You are going. Hey. Who meet and come play draft now? Okay, I go wait. You go come back. Let me bring the ball. I go the arranger. Maybe if I arrange and finish, you go come. Hey, I can sedate this side. Maybe now this side win the stadium, they can win me. If you come in the stadium, you can day here. And Pekin don't survive for this life when you come out so. Don't let's say that this same person take the cool bread. Mistake, I do self.
Where's this boy? Why will we take it to bring this out?
So, Chairman.
Where your tomato? Hey, I don't want to say what you want.
Teacher, what are these complaints?
Complain about what?
Everybody they say no do things what you promise when you become chairman.
That'll be a problem. Don't mind them. Don't worry, I will look into the matter. I'll see what I will do. Don't just worry yourself. Huh?
Hey, I can't know weather. I'll poor kid hotel. What do you have here? Now, apprentice association or what?
Good, welcome. Now you would wait for. Because you know, say now you be senior apprentice here.
I'm a senior apprentice. Because I never leave you go travel go America. Now they tell me I'm a senior apprentice.
I beg, leave that your travel matter one corner. Make we talk where to go benefit us for here.
What's in the border? Now, no say Namibia German special advisor. So tell me.
Come. Who dash you chairman special advisor? And did you advise yourself?
Shut up your mouth, I know say only you go talk me for here.
Why don't
only you go talk. Others no talk, only you.
I beg, you and Suto should stop this arguing, go throwing bomb to each other. Make we talk what him bring us and waiting their board. All of us know say the new chairman we will get. Promise all the apprentices say he go to give us something every time for this new tenor.
Yes. So what can say? We all the apprentices when they come here get free food for 1 month. Now you talk am.
No be only even for my ear. Koro he talk say if you come here chop like 200 naira even above, say you go to pay. No be so.
No what you talk.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to make when I come sit down here come the wait.
And what make us sit down Gidigba as you talk? Because he don't do them, not like Gidigba. 2 times like Gidigba. You stop. Now you make the other thing, now you enter our brain most.
Okay. I like him. You know, so me too, I'm not happy for the matter with them. You understand? Me too, I'm not happy. So now we know how we can take it around.
So how you want come do it? How you want to do it?
I will go talk to chairman now. You understand? No be mad to take the doctor. I mean, I go for my boots and I go take doctor. Now for mouth.
Come, e better say make una appoint another person because this man wey see here now, he go chairman for go talk your own matter if una leave am as him dey so.
How can I know what? Look at who they talk. See as your mouth, you don't like the one with the mouth where they rub lipstick or contest. You don't talk every time.
Livy, wait, John. See, waiting at the top, be say, make we give this our new chairman small time. Small time. I believe saying go do the thing when don't promise on you saying go do. He go do and now, who give him time.
See who they talk. See who they talk. I don't know whether your mother or mama rub lipstick for your mouth before you could come. Can I make you know sabi talk? Now you make you know sabi talk. See back at you now. Now so when I go there here, they will deceive you now. They shoot you now. When I don't go voice out, talk. Like I said, they talk. Huh? See, if you want follow me, make you go carry your own leaf now. Make you follow me, we go protest. They will tell chairman say, this is what they have, we will not like him.
Hey.
How you see him?
Now since one know you, now I talk better thing wey enter my head. Hey! Where we go? Where we go?
See, it better make we use song. You understand? Go there because if you see living now, living no get time. So now,
no, see. As we go now, we will carry more apprentices. Follow by.
Okay. Look, let's start with song here. Living. Why now, mommy?
Oh yeah, mommy. Living. Oh yeah, mommy. So.
I beg you, una take us something.
Oh yeah, mommy.
You are not being the person,
Oh yeah, mommy.
I beg, see the way that I go give you, Gary.
Malatesa, I beg, give me the usual thing with you.
Oh wow, I come now bring her. Come the help us for this mechanic village.
So, what's your plan now to change this engine?
I think we should change the engine because the old one there is having some smokes. It will be better there.
Makes sense.
Like that.
We'll change it.
Okay, sir.
We'll change it.
Okay. Chairman, what gonna happen? No?
What's happening?
I don't die, yo.
Person
Hey, person no die.
So what's the problem?
Na thieves. They don't thief all the whole 4 tires of my customer motor. Hey.
Okay, Chairman. That's a sad news.
Hey.
That's a sad news.
But if I'm to say, I would say it's out of your carelessness.
Huh?
Because you are need to protect the vehicle of the people.
Okay, Chairman. You promise that you will give us vigilante for our area. Huh?
Yes, I did. Now I'm working on it.
Okay, Chairman. You know, due to the nature of his business, his shed is at the express. In case if you have flat tires.
Don't worry, I'm just talking about it. It's a matter of urgency. Don't worry, don't forget about it. I'm just talking.
I beg, Chairman. Go. Because next time, na the whole motor, they go carry you.
Don't bother.
I beg go.
Hey. Chief, everywhere.
Thank you. Sisi Karu, I hope you enjoy the food.
You try. But your food is small. Anyway, switch out. Look, I just tell you. But you go put them next time.
Hey, my sister, no vex. Things don't cost for market, but I go put hand next time, Sisi Karu, I want ask you, how you take see this our new chairman? We talk say he go bring change for this mechanic village. Abi you don't see any change?
You can hold like since when I don't dey I never see any change. I don't see any change.
See wetin they talk. They go come, they talk, they go do this, do that, they go do this one, do at the end of the day, nothing. I think you don't see anything.
Hey, madam, now me they ask. I beg, I don't know. I be politician. My own be say, make I carry my make them buy. When they buy finish, come pay me money. I carry money to talk. At that time, I go want to say, hey, change don't come.
My sister, now true talk you talk because as then they hold me say here and there. I know say I never see any change. But if they go begin to pay us all this base, no say change don't come now. No see am. We go dey wait now. See when the change go happen.
Make I go sell my first. Now make me.
You won't go now.
Don't go. So be na for your own business.
I beg, you know.
You won't give me free
no,
rice.
sir, they like make you they come here, make we the gist now.
I go come when I don't sell.
Make you sell well, though. Make am easy. Sorry. Yeah, bring her. Make am bring her. Thank you. All right, so sell well, though.
Chairman, since you have some matters to attend to, so let us be going.
What these people want to hear?
Chairman, even the apprentices are complaining.
Complain of what again? Always complain.
My advice to you is to listen to them. They are your people.
Selecting myself for them.
You promise them. You ought to fulfill your promises to them. That is my own.
It's okay. It's okay. I will see what I will do.
Give us vigilante. We want every. We want our food, free food.
Good afternoon, Chairman.
Good afternoon.
Talk now.
Everything there for them. See, before whatever.
Chairman, well done, sir.
Thank you.
What is the problem?
Okay, Chairman, no offense, so you know, say we dey under you. You understand? You dey on top of us, so your legs, you keep them for our shoulder. No mean say we no fit tell you small thing wey we get in mind. No vex. Number two, you know, say my father used to tell me that you no good make person sit down like human being, come dey smell like spirits.
You are a true son of your father.
Thank you, sir. And again, number three, you know, say mindset be like bag. Everybody carry im own. You understand? So no vex. Chairman, wetin we want no plenty o, no plenty much like that, and we no get plenty talk. If you look now, you go see say we write some of the things where we want to tell you for paper. Yes. I beg, Chairman, those things where you promise us, please. I beg you, I need that beg, please. Do them one after the other.
Chairman, you have seen it already. You know, I told you earlier that even the apprentices are complaining. You have seen it with your two naked eyes.
Yeah, my people, you are welcome. So this is what you people want.
Yes, that's what we want.
That's what we want. Do it.
Alright, Chairman. You don't tell when we don dey hear say you go look into our matter every time. Now action we want. Abi no be so?
Na so. You want action?
Yes.
You want action?
Yes.
I'll surprise people with action.
Action.
I'll give you action. Just down glass.
Make e be as you talk o.
Chairman, do.
Chairman, thank you very much. Leaving us. Thank you. Chairman, thank you. Leaving us.
As for me, I don't think he can perform. There's no time for sample performance. I said we vote him out.
Yes. We must.
I fully agree with you.
Yes.
Fully.
Yes.
So
So
what
what
you
you waiting with the wait for? Make we vote am out.
Vote out. You must vote out. Yes. We are tired of all this.
Uncle Jonas, what is this thing that I'm hearing? They say when I don't demote the person where they just elect the other day. That's what we see. What can happen? He no perform, abi wetin happen?
No be say
You no perform. You no perform. The man thinks chairmanship just promises. No work. Nothing. No, they do anything. Just they make promise here and there. But you see, that other one, when we don't bring back now.
Okay.
You know that time when the chairman, don't be say he performed too much. But he do this when we they see.
Yes. Not be with mouth.
Not be with mouth. This one comes just talk. This one do what we they see. Now we say if we bring him back, give him a chance, he will do more.
You know, say this thing no be to make noise.
No be to make noise.
Now to do little thing where I go see.
Na him.
People want do something, but people na mouth. They will kill house. They will do this. They will kill cow. They will paint everywhere. They will plant.
Can you imagine?
In fact, it's good as when I push and down. Make the person will go walk.
You can come. That him be better. He better.
You know what thing happen? Make we bring board. I show you small skills. Small.
You show me small skills.
Hey.
I go. Because you ask. Oh yeah.
Bring him.
I
teach you some lessons.
Make up.
He get something when they take no champions.
Okay now.
Today.
I beat you now.
Sam, I will hammer you.
Obi di moto. Ebe mne wege gari. Ebe wanne moteru fa kuko. Aga meri afọ.
Ọzọ.
Obi di moto. Ebe mne wege gari. Ebe wanne moteru fa kuko. Aga meri afọ.
Ọzọ.
Obi di moto. Ebe mne wege gari. Ebe wanne moteru fa kuko.
Spanner, bring me spanner. Okay, you call me.
Bring me spanner.
Spanner. Hey, I don't answer you.
Bring me spanner. Working tool. Spanner.
Okay, tools. Okay. Okay, now fat one I been a slim one.
Bring me 13.
Oh, 13.
Stop misbehaving.
13. I know if you carry all of them come at once. Hold this one, man, go bring the rest.
You so you don't know what in be spanner 13. You can't go carry 13 tools, they come. Spanner 13.
You mean like a small one?
The small one where they write 13.
Okay, where they get number. If it be this small one, where I put for pocket.
Give me.
Now this one.
But this one.
Okay.
So you never know you're working tool.
I don't learn them now.
Never pour the oil. Never pour am.
Huh?
Never pour am. The vents are never dey function well.
Which you make a product teach me what? Oh. Aha, you don't finish this thing. Who is this? What happened?
Idiot. So, you pour me oil. You dey ask me who be this? Huh?
Who pour you oil?
Wait, you dey ask me who be this?
Huh?
Huh? You dey ask me who be this? Idiot.